So, you need to solve the traveling salesman problem. You have a matrix of distances between points you intend to visit. In our example, this is an asymmetric matrix with 50 rows and columns in Excel format. You can use TspSolver software from the Windows Store. You start it, and let's take a look at the parameters screen. It's divided into two parts, parameters for the genetic algorithm and the exact algorithm. For the genetic algorithm, you can adjust the number of chromosomes and the number of generations without improvement. This is the stopping criteria. For the exact solver, there's only one parameter, timeout in seconds. Let's start working. I recommend always first solving your task with the genetic algorithm. We load our matrix and click on Start. Several seconds, and we've found a solution. We can repeat this in hopes of finding a shorter tour. And we managed to do this. Okay, if we want to find the exact solution, we enable the mode Use Exact Solver and again click on Start. We found an even better solution, in 3 seconds. This is because the exact solver uses the previously found solution for a warm start. Now we save the results into an Excel workbook. It will contain 2 worksheets, one with points visited in the best order, and the second, with more detailed information on each leg of the way. In Allow Repeated Visits mode, TspSolver optimizes the distance matrix by identifying shorter paths between pairs of points via intermediate nodes. It employs the Dijkstra algorithm for this purpose. This feature enables solving the traveling salesman problem, TSP, even when direct connections don't exist between all points, such as in road networks or building passages. To achieve this, assign high costs to non-existent connections in the original distance matrix. Let's enable this mode, and repeat the previous steps. It occurred that we managed to find an even better solution because our test matrix contains several shorter paths between points than direct. This path will be marked on the details page of the solution. So, TspSolver contains 2 different solvers, heuristics, which will work always, and exact, which can work much longer and for matrices less than 150 points. Moreover, it's better to use a warm start for it. The program also has a mode to work with matrices with not existing connections. Thank you.